Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you are looking for a shorter view, the gold is on a upside. You can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, that is for around you can say 1 to 6 months, and an upside continuously it is moving high after making a low of around $18-15. Okay, now it is trading above a level of $2000. If you are looking for a very long time, you can see that it has been moving in a long time. That means till 5 years, 1 to 5 years it was moving in this particular range. Okay, so once started going above this particular range, you can see it will move further upside, or once started going below this particular, that means if it started moving in this range itself, then it will move in this zone only. Okay, because since September of 2020 we have seen that this price is moving in this particular zone. Okay, a low of around $16-17 and a high of around $2080. Okay, but if you look at this particular price of gold, it is not moving like an upside, it is moving in a U pattern. Okay, see, these are similar U pattern. After that, what was happening, all these highs, profit booking is coming at this particular level. See, and then a swing is formed. That is where it goes upside and make a new high. Now a probability of going further high and making a new high is on a higher side, and yes, a probability of going above this particular level is also there. Okay, now this is a 2-year pattern, this is a 8-month pattern, and this is a very low pattern. That means a period of 4 months, 5 months pattern. But if you go beyond this particular pattern, there is an 8-month pattern formed from 2012 to 2020. You can check my monthly video or explain this particular pattern. Now if you look at this particular chart, overall trend at upside, it is trying to create a U pattern. After that, a bounce back has come, so probability of sustaining above this level will be there. Okay, a level of around you can say $2008 is a strong support. So a bounce back we haven't already seen, so probability of going further upside, we can see that if the price keeps sustaining up this level. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full videos to understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. Chances are very high because there is continuous from 3-4 days, there is a continuous upside we have seen. So chances are high, if the price sustain this level, it will cross a level of around $2018, and once started going out 2018, because that level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will cross a level of 2021, which is also being weak. So chances are high it will touch a level of 2028. Keep that in mind. If the price sustain above a level of $2018, chances of touching 2028 will be there, and if started going above this level, we can see it will go towards a level of 2047. Understand something, that as soon as started going above $2028, chances of touching 2037 will be there. Okay, and this level is also being tested, so chances are high it will go further upside and it will go towards a level of 2042. Okay, and this 2042 is also being tested here, so chances of going further upside we can see, and then it will touch a level of 2049, and once the price started going up this particular level, we will see it will go towards a level of $2081. Okay, this is the level we can see. Now understand something, that as soon as it started going above a level of $2021, chances of going further upside is there, because this is the level where we have not seen since September of 2020, May of 2023. So chances will be high that we can see it can go further high, because these levels, if there is a breakout happening after a period of time, chance of going upside will be there, and if it moves down, then we have further fall we can see. Okay, now if started going above a level of $2047, you will see that there is a probability of going towards a level of 2047 will be there, and then a probability of going towards a level of 2051, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2081 also we can see. You have to keep it in mind. Okay, if the price move above a level of $2050, and chances are high, yes, it can go. I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Now understand, market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that market will move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, it will only move where the trend, some news is coming and all these, it can affect the market, but you should always be ready with your SL, because suppose if you are on the buy side, if it's coming going down, Okay, your SL will save your capital. This is the first thing you should be doing. Whether you are doing for a longer view or a shorter view, there should be a SL, okay, so that capital can be saved, and there should be trailing SL that will save your profit. Suppose you are in some amount of profit, and once it comes down to 80 or 70, exit the trades. That is very important, okay, or your position, because you don't know that how low it will go. Okay, so always try to trail your SL so that a profit can be taken home. That is very important. Now suppose if it form a swing, because market is uncertain, so I always try to explain both the sides. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards its next support, coming at a level of $2010. Okay, after that a level of around $2007. Once it started moving below this level, we can see a level of 20.057, and from there a further low we can see towards a level of around $1997 as soon as it moves below a level of 2007. Okay, and once started going below this particular level, chances of touching a level of around 19. After 1997, a probability of going further fall we can see towards a level of around $1994. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as started going below 2007, we can see a level of 2003. Okay, and then it will touch this particular level. I was missing this particular point, but this is already being a weak support, so chances of touching this level we can see, or if started going below 1994, we can see it will fall further down, and a probability of going towards a level of 1988 is there. If the price fall below 1988, we can see it will go towards a level of around $1984. Okay, and if it started moving below 1984, a further fall we can see towards $1976 to a level of $1976 to a level of $1971. Okay, and if started moving below this particular level, then there will be a trend forming, so probability of going further down we can see. Okay, understand, if the price keep sustaining above $2007, we will see upside, okay, a bounce back. But it started going below this level, and if it fall below a level of around $2000, chances of moving further down will be there, because there is a particular trend is forming. So we can see it will move further low towards 1993, and then from there we can see it will go towards 1975 also. Okay, and then further, because there is a clear pattern forming. But surety is on a higher side that if it started moving below a level of around 1997, a movement towards downfall we can see. But if it started going up 2007, then a upside we can see. So you have to keep these 2 points in mind. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give in the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.